In the small town of Muzaffarpur, Bihar, for 20 years young children were getting sick in the summer months and no one knew why.
These children would have confusion, seizures and sometimes go into a coma. About 2 out of 5 children died.
In spite of multiple investigations and tests, nothing was found. Infection, exposure to toxins and pesticides were ruled out, but the cause of this disease causing inflammation of the brain remained a mystery.
In 2014, researchers from India and the United States of America got together to investigate the cause and risk factors of this mystery disease. And now we finally have the answer: the lychee fruit.
Interesting and scary at the same time. Doctors on Call today takes you into the fascinating details of how this 20-year-old mystery was solved. I'm Dr. Sameer Gupta.
And I am Dr. Sonia Lal Gupta.
For over 20 years, the tinsel disease, or as they locally call it, Chamki ki bimari, has been affecting the children of Muzaffarpur. The cause? Unknown. Researchers at the National Center for Disease Control in India and the Center for Disease Control and Prevention in Atlanta, USA, initiated an investigation to assess this mystery illness killing more than 40% children it affected. They divided these children into 2 groups, affected and not affected, and assessed their blood glucose levels, nutritional status, MRI brain, EEGs, timing of meals and consumption of food items. And the cause of this disease causing inflammation of the brain remained a mystery. Now, a similar illness in Jamaica with the same symptoms was linked with the consumption of the ackee fruit that belongs to the same family as lychee. This fruit contained a toxin called hypoglycin A that was causing these symptoms.
Now the biggest question was, could lychee contain the same toxin, hypoglycin A? And how exactly does this hypoglycin A cause the illness? And that too so suddenly. Now when there is less glucose in the body, it breaks down the fat to produce more glucose. Hypoglycin A is a toxin that inhibits the body's ability to produce glucose from fats. These young children would eat the lychee fruit and then miss dinner. Since they were malnourished and had low glucose levels to begin with, late night the glucose levels would fall further and the toxin would not let the body produce glucose, leading to a severe fall in blood sugar called hypoglycemia. This sudden fall in glucose led to seizures and confusion in the children.
In January 2017, Lancet, which is one of the most prestigious medical journals in the world, came out with a study that described the association of acute toxic encephalopathy with the consumption of lychee in Muzaffarpur, Bihar. This study investigated the outbreak of an unexplained neurological illness with high mortality affecting the young children of the city for over 20 years. The study concluded that malnourished children who consumed large amounts of lychee and missed their evening meals had a severe fall in glucose due to the effect of hypoglycin A toxin leading to the illness.
So the key things to remember are, the children who were affected were malnourished, ate lychee on an empty stomach and missed their evening meals, leading to a severe fall in glucose and hence causing the illness.
So what does this mean for us? Can we eat lychees or not? Well, we can, but avoid eating it on an empty stomach and ensure you have food later.
You know, Sameer, as a neurologist, the symptoms that these children had always makes one think of an infection. So it's actually commendable that the researchers were able to solve this mystery illness.
A very fascinating case indeed. Well, that's all we have time for today, but see you next week.